Emily's graduation, so I'll go ahead and get it started.
Congratulations, Emily. It's been fun to see you grow up over the last 6 months.
Congratulations, Emily. Nice job.
Congratulations. You worked hard, and you finally made it here. Good job.
Congratulations, kid. I'm really proud of you.
Congratulations, you did a great job.
Amazing things I can say about Miss Emily. She has been incredible through this program. Came in private pilot with us and decided to continue on, and has had a phenomenal spirit the entire time. Worked super hard. Was actually an inspiration to my daughter. I have a daughter her age who I would be shocked to be seeing go through a program like this, but the fact that she's been able to persevere and work as hard as she has to make it as far as you have is absolutely amazing. And kudos to you, mom, dad, brother, sister, for helping her out. You provided an incredible young woman that has really inspired a lot of people here. And she's definitely kept my feet to the fire with a lot of things and kept me honest with a lot of commitments that I made. But I know that I've never had anything negative that's been said about her. Always positive, always encouraging things. So congratulations to you. So I'll open it up to the room. Anybody have anything they want to say about Miss Emily, any experience that y'all had with her?
Emily, it's been cool. I feel like we've known you for forever, obviously, since you were 14 or so the first time you came around and hung out with us for a couple of days. So just to see you from that point, I've known you the entire time since I've been here. So to see how much you've grown and everything in that period of time has been a lot of fun. So excited to keep working with you and keep moving on.
Thank you.
Well,
Yeah, there's like.
I heard a lot about Emily through the course of her training, talking about how she's all good and she's fantastic, and all that good stuff. And I was thinking the whole time, like, how good can this little girl actually be? And then she got to me in CFI and just completely held up to all those expectations. Went past an 8.5-hour CFI oral with old Joey down there. One of the only people to ever do that, and could not be more proud of her. So good job, Emily.
Thank you.
I've known you since the first day you started, and from taking you to try Firehouse subs for the first time to just taking our walks and just chilling out in between ground lessons, and you stealing my commercial check ride date. But no, it's awesome, and I'm proud of you, and I can't wait to see you here.
I didn't get to work with you much from an instructor standpoint, but from the program manager standpoint, you were always bugging me to get stuff done, and you were always driving to get stuff done. And I think that's a big part of what makes people like you successful in this program, is your ability to drive and keep working and bug people and make things happen. So good job.
I was always a private instructor, and it's always neat seeing the private students come in and they know nothing, and they make so much progress through private pilot, and then I turn around and then they work here. And it's like, wait, why are you in an instructorship? Wait a minute, it's been 6 months, 7 months, whatever. Like, now you're an instructor here.
Yeah.
So great job, well deserved.
Thank
Always
you.
interesting to see the growth.
Okay, well, Emily, you obviously know we're very proud of you. We've seen you, stressed out at night, making your little fissy fits and stuff, but.
Oh, she does that at home too? Right. At least she's consistent.
Yeah, But you're like the most decisive person. As soon as you told us this is what you wanted to do, you worked really hard for it every single day. We love you, we're proud of you.
To all persons, be it known that Emily Rubio has completed the prescribed studies and satisfied the requirements for the career pilot program. In the witness swear-up on this 23rd day of February in the year 2022, this graduate has demonstrated superior aerial performance while committing to perform as a professional aviator under our core values of safety, innovation, integrity, excellence, and accountability. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, we got a photo. And your set of wings, so wear those proud, and I'll let you make a speech now. Cheers, Drew. Get a hot seat.
Whew. I don't know where to start because it's been a journey. I know all of you guys know I had the worst of luck with everything. To airports shutting down on me, to being stuck here because the clouds came in out of nowhere, to having to call Franklin, I'm stuck somewhere, Franklin freaking out, having a mental breakdown with Brandon in the plane, Brandon looking over oh my god, what's going on? Bugging Josh every day, Brian, probably stressed the life out of all of you guys, but it was fun. It was fun, it was something. And for all of you guys, keep your heads up. You don't realize this, and I realized this not until I was with Brandon, but you go through the same things that your instructor goes through. You're going through something, your instructor goes through it with you. And everybody is here to help you with open arms. So thank you guys for everything.
All right, go ahead and ring that bell.